Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So this today is going to be another experiment that actually my daughter came up with all on her own. And in these cups is just Floetrol. Basically the idea is to add a little bit of paint. Whoops, okay. And then to not mix it in all the way, basically just swirl it until it has that kind of marbled look. So we're gonna do that with 4 colors here. In here we're using a little white. And then I think in here, we'll go ahead and do some of this purpley blue that I mixed up. And I spray painted the back a light blue so we could see how the Floetrol looks dry, because it should be clear. Also so that the white will stand out, because if it was just a white background, it wouldn't stand out. So here's kind of my idea. I want the marbled look. You're not going to be able to see it too much with the white, but we should be able to see it with the other colors. And my daughter had a totally different idea of how she would do this. So this execution is my idea. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and tilt. All right, so that already looks pretty awesome. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna let this dry. And we're gonna come back and see how it looks all dry. So we'll be back. All right, so we are back. It's not 1000% dry. It's still a little bit wet in here, but you can get the idea. So you can see the light blue through a few places in here. I'm sure it just depends on how thick the paint is in that exact point, and I'm sure you could do this with a little less paint than I even used, but just super cool technique, especially how the colors layer upon each other. And I think this has so many uses. I can't really, I mean, I'm sure I can't even think of all of them, but I think you could take like a completed painting even and do this on top to add a little more interest. So that's going to be my next video on this technique, is just trying it on top of an already done painting to add a little more interest. Let's go ahead and we'll do our close-up. So here's the lower right hand corner. You can see the black that I kind of marbled on top of the purple. Here the white, the blue, and that purple all go over each other as well. And you can see the blue background through it. This is the part that's still a little wet. You can see it's kind of shiny. Upper left hand corner, I love this blue. That's awesome. Lower left-hand corner, you can see the purple. You can see the streaks of white. See that? Just really cool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I can't wait to try this again. I wanted to really quickly show you the painting that my daughter made using sort of the similar technique. She's the one that came up with the idea of just putting the little bit of paint in the Floetrol, but we, like I said, we had different ideas of application. So she went her way, I went my way, and we produced a couple very different paintings. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you next time.